Hey TechPackers, if you've been following along, you'll know I really like the Insta360 Ace Pro, especially as an all-round multi-purpose travel cam. Well, there's been a firmware update, v1.0.35, that you should know about. As well as improving user experience and stability for video and photo shooting, let's run through the big changes. First of all, for all moto vlogging fans, there's one you've been waiting for. The Ace Pro now supports full integration with motorcycle helmet headsets. Here's the full list from the Insta360 site at the time of making this video. Of course, more may appear. Now, this edition allows creators to add recorded audio from the headset into footage, operate the camera via voice control, and more. Next up, here's what creators who wanted more freedom of choice have been asking for. Instead of active HDR being switched on automatically when shooting video of 30 frames per second and slower than this, there's a new active HDR toggle option allowing users to switch active HDR on or off. Offering even more choice across a broader range of video shooting options, free frame and loop recording modes now have added active HDR with support for that active HDR toggle. Here's a great addition in the firmware update for the photographers. The Ace Pro now supports clarity zoom, that's zooming in 2 times without losing resolution through the large sensor over capture. You can activate this simply by double tapping on the screen. Another choice coming up next, which I think will be welcomed, certainly by me anyway. The sharpness setting entry has been moved to the 3A page, according to Insta360, for independent sharpness adjustments in different modes. That page is just here. Now, this means you can set sharpness independently for each camera mode rather than having a blanket universal setting covering all modes. The firmware update also means that the Ace Pro is now compatible with the GPS action remote. Can't really understand why it wasn't from the start, but another change is face zooming in and out of webcam mode too, if you're someone who uses your Ace Pro as a webcam. Does anyone do that? Let me know. Still deciding about the Ace Pro? Check out my bike vlog here and see what the Ace Pro footage looks like for real with a data overlay too.